Unlock your potential, the power within you. Friends, colleagues, fellow humans, we gather here today united by a shared experience, the experience of being alive, of being conscious, of being us. And in this shared experience lies a truth so profound, so fundamental, that it has the power to reshape our lives if we truly embrace it. That truth is this: within each and every one of you lies an incredible, untapped reservoir of potential, a power waiting to be unleashed. Think about it for a moment. Look around you and then look inward. Consider the intricate workings of your own mind, the resilience of your spirit, the unique blend of talents and experiences that make you, you. Are you really telling me that all of this is just ordinary? That you are simply existing without the capacity for something extraordinary? I say absolutely not. We are not born into this world as blank slates devoid of inherent gifts. Like a seed holding the blueprint for a mighty tree, each of us is planted with the potential to grow, to flourish, to reach heights we can scarcely imagine right now. But here's the crucial point, my friends. Potential is just that. Potential. It's like a muscle that remains weak if never exercised. It's like a song unsung, a story untold, a masterpiece unpainted. Potential, dormant, does no good. It's the unlocking that matters. It's the action we take that breathes life into the possibilities within us. So, how do we unlock this incredible potential? How do we tap into this power that resides within? It's not about magic spells or overnight transformations. It's about a journey, a process of self-discovery and dedicated effort. Firstly, we must believe. Believe in your inherent worth. Believe in your capabilities. Believe that you are capable of more than you currently think. Doubt is a potent poison that suffocates potential at its root. Replace self-doubt with self-belief. Tell yourself, not just occasionally, but consistently, I am capable, I am strong, I can learn, I can grow, I can achieve. This isn't arrogance, it's recognizing the truth of your inner strength. Secondly, we must explore. Think about what truly ignites your passion. What activities make you lose track of time? What are you naturally curious about? Your passions are clues, signposts, pointing towards your potential. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, even if you fail initially. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone towards it. Each stumble, each setback provides a lesson, a chance to learn and adapt and come back stronger. Thirdly, we must cultivate discipline and perseverance. Unlocking your potential is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires consistent effort, dedication, and the grit to keep going even when things get tough. And they will get tough. There will be moments of frustration, of doubt, of wanting to give up. In those moments, remember your why. Why did you start on this journey? What is it you are hoping to achieve? Let your why fuel your perseverance. Fourthly, embrace continuous learning. The world is constantly evolving, and so should we. Be a lifelong learner. Read books, take courses, seek mentors, listen to podcasts, engage in conversations that challenge your perspectives. Every new piece of knowledge, every new skill you acquire adds another tool to your arsenal, further empowering you to unlock your potential. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, be kind to yourself. The journey of unlocking your potential is not about perfection. It's about progress. There will be days when you feel you are not making headway, days when you feel discouraged. On those days, practice self-compassion. Acknowledge your efforts, celebrate your small victories, and remind yourself that you are on a journey And every step forward, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. My friends, the power to unlock your potential does not lie in some external force, some magic lamp, or some stroke of luck. It resides within you, in the very core of your being. It's waiting for you to acknowledge it, to nurture it, to unleash it. The world needs your unique talents, your unique perspectives, your unique contributions. Don't let your potential remain dormant. Start today. Take that first step. Believe in yourself. Explore your passions. Cultivate discipline. Embrace learning. And be kind to yourself along the way. Unlock your potential and watch as the power within you transforms not just your life, but perhaps the world around you too. Thank you